On behalf of me and my husband, I'd like to thank you all for being here.
Then at 17, she started working at McDonald's. It was while she was working there she got to know Jacob. They are both amazing people and encourage each other to push further in their careers and hobbies. Let a girl like you could be falling in love just about anyone. All I want.
As a great poet once said, you are the best thing that's ever been mine.
It's just to hang around, walk on the same ground. You remind me of the days gone by, of a real good love to love just and if I show up, will you show me right? If I make you laugh, will you give me some time? 'Cause I know that
I, Jacob Alexander Marshall, take you Danielle Jade Fisher.
I, Danielle Jade Fisher, take you Jacob Alexander Marshall
To be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded husband.
Danielle, I give you this ring
Jacob, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love.
and a sign of our marriage.
You've also symbolised your marriage by the joining of hands and the giving and receiving of those beautiful rings. It is therefore now with great pleasure that I can declare you are legally joined together in marriage as husband and wife. And Jacob, you may kiss your beautiful bride. Congratulations!
Cause I know that a girl like you could be falling in love just about anyone. All I want is just to know you.
Life doesn't always go to plan, and I think the last few weeks have definitely reminded us of that. But one thing I've never doubted is that whatever happens, you'll be standing here by my side. You are my safe space, my home. I'm someone who struggles to make decisions, but saying yes to you was one of the easiest decisions of my life. When I'm with you, life feels lighter. You calm my chaotic brain and talk me down when I spiral. You make me feel safe enough to be completely myself, even if you do walk away when I'm dancing in the supermarket. Together, we genuinely can do anything we put our mind to.
Danielle, you're the most stunning, loyal, driven and thoughtful person I know. You strive to be the best version of yourself in everything you do. The husky racing, being out in all weathers, covered in mud, running with the dogs and always coming home with medals. You're my best friend. I honestly can't imagine my life without you. I feel so lucky that out of everyone in this world, I get you. I promise to support you in everything that you do, to stand beside you no matter what life throws at us, to keep pushing you, encouraging you, and probably occasionally winding you up. And I promise to spend the rest of my life trying to be half as good as you are to me. I love you.
All I want is just to know you. It's just to hang around, walk on the same ground. You remind me of the days gone by, of a real good love to love just the time. And if I show up, will you show me? If I make you laugh, will you give me some time? 'Cause I know that a girl like you could be falling in love just about anyone.
Jacob, there's no one I would rather do the long run with. Unless that run is a half marathon and you're telling me that we're behind pace.
Will you show me later? If I make you laugh, will you give me some time? 'Cause I know that a girl